10 of the world's most unusual bridges. The elastic perspective, Carnisseland, the Netherlands. This is definitely a bridge to nowhere. This rusting steel structure folds in on itself, forming a seemingly infinite loop. It sits in a field on a hillside with a view of Rotterdam. A tram stop is the only way to indicate the beginning or conclusion of the continually looping construction. Elastic Perspective's design is based on the Mobius ring, hence there is no real top or bottom. It has only one surface, which folds in on itself. Tianjin Yongluo Bridge, Tianjin, China. Here's another bridge that is more than just a bridge. The Tianjin is a Ferris wheel built into the Yongluo Bridge. This city in northern China has a 6-lane viaduct that crosses the He River. At over 400 feet, the Ferris wheel is the world's third tallest. It features 48 capsules, each with 8 passengers. Slooihofbrug, Leeuwarden, the Netherlands. Last but not least, this bascule bridge looks like a spatula flipping pancakes. Every time the bridge opens for ships to pass, it appears that a common cooking item is lifted into the air. The bascule becomes undetectable while lowered into the roadbed, despite its prominence when elevated. Dragon Bridge, Da Nang, Vietnam. Dragons are a symbol of power, royalty, and prosperity in Asia. They are employed as decorative elements in art and architecture all over the continent. This bridge is unique in that it incorporates the dragon symbol within the framework. At slightly over 2,000 feet, the 6-lane viaduct is the quickest route between the airport and city Da Nang. It is a vital link in this Vietnamese city. Lego Bridge, Wuppertal, Germany. At a time when Lego construction blocks are more popular than ever, this bridge in North Rhine-Westphalia, Germany, appears to have come directly from Legoland. While the structure appears to have been built using advanced Lego construction methods, it is actually a standard concrete beam bridge that an artist disguised by painting it to resemble Lego bricks. This ingenious redesign of the bridge converted it from an eyesore to a neighborhood landmark. Lucky Knot Bridge, Changsha, China. This beautiful new pedestrian bridge spans the Dragon King Harbor River and connects 2 parks in a huge Chinese metropolis. The 600-foot-long structure's design is inspired by Chinese traditional art, knotting. It has 3 interlaced trails that provide breathtaking views of the surrounding area. Circular Laguna Garzon Bridge, Garzon, Uruguay. A ring-shaped bridge may appear impracticable, yet it makes perfect sense. Rafael Vinelli, an architect, created the design to reduce traffic in the area. The bridge is located on Uruguay's southern coast, linking the cities of Rocha and Maldonado. It permits around 1,000 automobiles to cross at any given time and features 2 pedestrian walkways that allow visitors to enjoy the area's breathtaking views. This viaduct is projected to pay for itself over time by encouraging major residential and commercial development in the surrounding area. Friendship Bridge, Nantan, Japan. Another example of a circular bridge, this one has a different reason for its round design. The bridge is located within a wellness resort and the shape was chosen to enhance the contemplative nature of its surroundings. Island in the Mur, Graz, Austria. Many people wonder if this remarkable structure in the Mur River is a bridge or an island. The answer is both. It began as a temporary project when Mur became a cultural capital, but it grew so popular that inhabitants decided to make it a permanent feature of their cityscape. This floating steel and glass seashell-shaped building is linked to both sides of the river by miniature bridges. It houses a popular cafe, playground, and performance area. At night, the island in the Mur radiates a striking blue. Pythonbrug, Amsterdam, the Netherlands. Translated from Dutch as Python Bridge, this 300-foot-long bridge was designed to resemble the shape of a snake. Formerly known as the High Bridge, it serves to connect Amsterdam's Spoorberg area with Borneo Island. Unlike other similar undulating bridges, this one uniquely rises and falls, enhancing its snake-like appearance.